people, welcome to my channel Lonely Living. In case you are new surprise, please like and follow. So today our supper is sweet potatoes and pounded peanut. We are going to cook this pounded peanut. Pounded peanut, if you are cooking, you just do like it is. The boiled water is there already on fire, so you just pour in cold water. When you pour in cold water, you just start mixing with mingling stick. So I'm going to mix it very well. After mixing, I'm going to pour in hot water on the fire, and then it can stay for an hour to get ready and feel suitable. Please like and follow up. So our mixing is about to get ready to get well. You see how it's nice. I'm going to pour on the hot water. I'm standing up to go inside and pour. This is how I cook binyeva, so I'm going to pour in a hot water. It gets ready, so it's going to be nice. And then today I'm very happy because we are going to eat a good diet. Please, thank you very much. Here you see my sauce is coming very nice, so I'm going to leave it here when it's getting ready. So here, if you want, you can put onion and tomato, but for us we just cook boiled onion, not to put anything. So you see, it's coming now. So now, see here, I have two saucepans. Here I'm washing sweet potato. This one is clean saucepan for putting this. So today I want you people to know the difference of kawunga and our staple food. This one, if you are turning this one back to the fire, it cannot come. It is going to remain like this. You put direct on the saucepan when you are making. But for this one, you can cover it, you take it back on fire. Like now, I'm going to do like this. Stand like this. So this one I'm covered direct. So this banana slip, this one I'm going to prepare it with this balance of our food of lunch time, because this one I'm cooking supper. So I'm going to take this one like this and this one like this. We are going to eat it. Matias, c'est pour le plus. So I make sure that this one is ready. I'm going to pour water for putting it on fire. So this one I'm going to take it in serve. For those who don't like sweet potatoes and our portion bread, is going to eat this one. This one also we are going to make because in our culture, this one is sweeter than this one. For those who don't like it. Thank you very much. So here, if you want to know that sweet potatoes and food can take how many cups of water, I'm going to measure with this cup. I'm going to pour like 3 cups because down I put the banana sleeve. So this one I'm going to put on fire. If I put on fire, it's going to take like 40 minutes when it's ready, and then I serve with my sauce. Ready? I'm going to put it down when we are waiting for sweet potatoes. You see? Cooking my food. So at the time when you see when I'm putting these sweet potatoes, I add my portion also. So someone come like a visitor, I supposed to help her with this food. I'm going to cut little and then enjoy. You see the way if someone comes when the food is warming like this. So I'm going to remove and cut little. Like this one, so it's going to eat even a good food. Yes. This one is not yet. It's still on the fire, very busy in this. So I remove for her this one. So I'm here in outside the kitchen. Kitchen is here. So me, I'm outside. My food is boiling. In Luo culture, when the food boiling, you cannot stay far away. You stay down the fire and you see what's going on. So this one, I'm coming to check when it's ready. But like I'm here, voice, it's still ongoing. Please like and follow, subscribe. The channel is Luo Living, please and please. I really need to people to subscribe. Please subscribe. Tell each and everyone to help me. Thank you very much. I love each and everyone, my followers. You see, our food is now ready, so I'm going to open and divide. Our person, the one I put up at the other time. I'm going to divide. You see my sweet potatoes is very nice, even this cassava. So I'm going to put this one into this because the other day I say we have women's also, so I'm going to put for them. You see this type of sweet potatoes, we have yellow also. I'm going to put like this. So here is my salt. For us, we are going to eat this one also, but for them, I'm going to put this one, a good one. What is it? You see my dinner space. Very nice indeed. We are going to enjoy and do what's going on. When you want your food to be hot, well, the people who are going to eat are not ready, you cover like this. So those ones are plates. So if I come here, I'm going to put sweet potatoes also. For those who are going to delay, they are going to eat again. So if I come here for our children, this type of sweet potato needs a lot of plates. So here I first start with the children and then I put for them this sauce. So here I'm going to come like this. I start putting this one for each and every one. So if they want, they are going to add beans themselves, because this one I divide. We know we don't eat it every day. If you have little money, you can buy it. So now I bought it. So like I see, this is the end of video. I hope you understand. I hope you enjoy. Please like and follow, subscribe. The channel is Low Living. Remember about me. Like and follow, subscribe, my dear follower. Bye bye. See you next video. Thank you very much.